Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing yet another bamboo shoot stir fry recipe which can be made under 30 minutes. As I said in my previous video, this is my second take on the bamboo shoot and I'll be posting one more unique recipe with this fiber rich veggie. This is surely a great choice for any health conscious person as they are low in calories and a rich source of other essential nutrients. So shall we have a look at the ingredients required. Fresh bamboo shoot half kg. Jackfruit seeds 1 cup. Curry leaves a few. Mustard seeds half teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Half grated coconut. Red chilies 2 numbers. Oil 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Small piece of brindleberry. First, let me show you how to remove the outer skin of the bamboo shoot. The exteriors are highly fibrous, so we need to remove these outer layers as they are not edible. You can use a sharp knife to remove the layers. This recipe is an apt choice for all the Weight Watchers as their shoots have negligible amount of fats and is absolutely filling. The shoots are available in the local market during the winter, summer and spring seasons. During winter, we get a small and very tender variety. In spring, we get a bit mature variety which has a tougher texture, and in summer, we get a different one. If fresh shoots are not available, you can use the frozen ones or the canned ones also. Before starting the preparation, let me remind you that the fresh shoots will have a slightly bitter taste, so we need to resolve that before heading further. I will explain the method in this part step by step. As you can see here, I have removed the exteriors completely. Now, let us cut off and remove the upper part. Then, we need to remove the fibrous felt-like layers from the bottom portion of the shoot. These outer layers at the bottom are quite tough and they have to be removed completely. Now, it's time to cut it into paper thin layers. This method of cutting will make our work much simpler. You can feel the airy texture and the earthy smell which is quite inviting. This is so exciting. A small tip here, the bamboo shoots once cut should be immersed in a bowl of salted lukewarm water immediately after cutting. This actually prevents them from turning brown and helps to regulate the inherent bitterness. It also reduces the cooking time required as it softens up the cut shoot. We need to soak them for an hour like this. After the 1 hour mark, wash them again in lukewarm water twice or thrice, which will remove a great deal of bitterness. Many say that to remove the bitter taste, we need to soak the cut bamboo overnight, but that's not really required if you follow this method. You can cut the shoots in different shapes and sizes, but if you follow my method, you will never have to worry about the bitterness. I have finished cutting the bamboo. Next up is our jackfruit seeds. Firstly, we need to remove the outer white layer of the seeds and soak them in water for around 6 hours. I have already done that and kept them ready for my video. After they have been in water for close to 6 hours, remove the visible soft brown layer. Wondering why we are using jackfruit seeds in this recipe? Jackfruit seeds help regulate the bitterness while maintaining the distinct texture and taste of the bamboo shoots. So jackfruit seeds are a key ingredient for this wonderful recipe. Once the brown layer is removed completely, cut them into small pieces as shown here. Now we will grab a pan and add about a teaspoon of coconut oil. I have used coconut oil here. You may choose any other oil too according to your preference. Add in some mustard seeds and wait till they splutter. 1 or 2 spicy red chilies and some curry leaves will help add more color and flavor to our dish. Add a small piece of brindleberry also. If you are not having brindleberry, you may use a piece of tamarind or bilimbi fruit or star fruit as well. Roast this on a low flame for around 3 minutes. Now we can add the jackfruit seeds and roast it on a low flame for a few minutes by giving occasional stirs. Now it's time to introduce the turmeric powder. Keep roasting for 5 to 6 minutes. Finally, we can add the cut bamboo shoot. And roast it for 2 more minutes. While that's cooking, let's grab a bowl and add half grated coconut, chili powder and salt. Give a quick mix. Sprinkle this onto the dish and stir again. Add half cup of water, then close with a lid and cook it on a low flame for about 20 minutes or until done. When the shoots are done, they will no longer taste bitter. I thoroughly enjoyed making this exciting dish. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon on to receive notifications of all my unique uploads. I will meet you soon with yet another recipe. Until next time, bye bye.